Hello and welcome to our overview video on Google Analytics 4, the latest version of Google Analytics. In today's video, we're going to be providing a brief background on GA4 compared to Universal Analytics, and also be uncovering the key insights and metrics that are going to be provided by Google Analytics 4. Let's start with Universal Analytics, also known as UA. Universal Analytics is the current version of Google Analytics and was introduced in 2013. However, it's due to sunset July 1st, 2023. Universal Analytics is still widely used by many organizations at the time of this recording, but it has its limitations, and as mentioned, the sunset date is approaching soon. One of the biggest limitations of Universal Analytics is its session-based data model. In this model, data is collected based on user sessions. This can lead to incomplete data as the session ends when the user closes out their browser or goes inactive for a certain period of time. Let's say that you have a website that sells shoes. In Universal Analytics, you'll be able to see that a user visited your website and added a pair of shoes to their cart. However, you will not be able to see if the user went on to make a purchase later, as the session would have ended. On the other hand, GA4, first introduced in October 2020, is a successor to Universal Analytics and provides a solution to Universal Analytics' session-based model problem. GA4 introduces an event-based model, a model that collects data based on user events. Events are actions taken by users on your website or your app. This event-based data is then used to generate meaningful insights about user behavior. Let's go back to the shoe website example. In GA4, not only will you be able to see when a user added a pair of shoes to their cart, but you'll also be able to see when that user completed the purchase. This provides a more complete picture about user behavior and will help you make more informed decisions about how to improve your website or app. This shift in the way data is collected and processed is one of the key differences between Universal Analytics and Google Analytics 4. As users transition to GA4, they can expect this and more as part of an overall more intuitive and flexible experience, along with changes to improve data security and privacy. Next, I'll cover the key changes to GA4's metrics and insights. GA4 provides new metrics and insights that were not previously available on Universal Analytics. Let's start off with user-centric metrics as defined on the screen. With this information, you can get a more complete picture about how users are interacting on your website or app and make more informed decisions about how to improve their experience. It's like having a private investigator working for you, gathering the intel you need to make your website as effective as possible. Let's talk about real-time data streams. For example, if you see a sudden drop in conversions, you can go investigate the cause and promptly make changes to the user's experience. This is like having a live stream from the front lines, watching the action as it unfolds. Next is machine learning models. This is like having a psychic on your team, predicting what's going to happen before it actually does. With these predictions, you can optimize your website or app to drive even more conversions and improve the user experience. Additionally, GA4 provides machine learning powered insights on your user segments. This allows you to see what groups of users are more likely to make certain actions on your website or app. This is the crystal ball to your psychic, allowing you to predict user behavior. These are just a few examples of new metrics and insights provided by GA4. By leveraging these features, you'll gain a deeper understanding of user behavior and how to improve your website or app. I hope this GA4 overview was helpful and that you now understand the key differences between Universal Analytics and Google Analytics 4. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll be covering reporting in GA4. Thank you for watching.